Hi friends, in the previous video or session we discussed about the method of preparation from alkenes. There are two different methods. One is from hydration and another one is hydroboration oxidation. In this session we are going to discuss about another method of preparation that is from carbonyl compounds. Then what do you mean by carbonyl compounds? The carbonyl compounds means compound contains carbon, oxygen, double bond. The simple example is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. These are inorganic compounds. In organic compounds, the carbonyl compounds are aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and the derivatives of these compounds, esters and acid, chlorides, and all that. Amides. So these are the example of carbonyl and derivatives of carbonyl compounds. How to prepare alcohol from carbonyl compounds? What are the things required to convert into alcohol? Can anybody guess? It contains carbon and oxygen. When that oxygen become or attached to hydrogen, it is attached to hydrogen and this bond undergo cleavage. Then it becomes alcohol. Very simple. On this board it's become very easy, but how to convert and which reagent is required and what type of process it is. It is a double bond, contains double bond undergoes splitting and gives product. Addition takes place, correct? Addition reaction takes place. Addition of what? Make it hydrogen. Hydrogen takes place. Addition of hydrogen takes place. Then therefore, addition of the process or the method that involves addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. Okay, reduction takes place. When carbonyl compounds are subjected to reduction process, okay, it is reduction of carbonyl compound using reduction process. This part is very important for your competitive exam as well as for your theory. It may be asked for 1 marks. There is a possibility of asking 1 marks question under this session. Okay, so therefore you should do more concentration on each and every point of this reaction. Okay, how the reaction takes place and what type of product is formed and what are the reactant and reagent is considered. These all things are very important. You should give the concentration on each and every point. Okay, let us discuss about this one, reduction of carbonyl compounds. Okay, friends. In this case, I am considering a simple carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones. Okay, first consider the simple carbonyl compounds. These are aldehydes and ketones. In case of aldehydes and ketones, it becomes one method. And if you consider another carbonyl compound, that is carboxylic acid, then it is another method of preparation. Okay, from carbonyl compounds because of their stability. Okay, so because of their stability, we need a different reagent to produce alcohol. Aldehyde and ketone produce alcohol. Please remember, very important. Aldehydes and ketones produce primary and secondary alcohols with the help of mild reducing agent. Mild reducing agent is enough. Mild reducing agent is enough for the production of excellent product of alcohol, primary alcohol. Using carboxylic acid or ester, we need strong reducing agent. It is very important. Okay, primary alcohol is produced from carboxylic acid because carboxylic acid contains OH and the carbonyl component, the corner. Therefore, it's primary. Aldehyde gives primary alcohol because aldehyde functional group is always present at the corner. Ketone present or ketonic function group present in between the chain because of the two R group already attached. Therefore, it is used secondary alcohol under this reduction process. Okay, these all things are very important. Let us discuss about preparation method of alcohols from aldehydes and ketone. And consider a simple example of the second member of aldehyde. Can anybody give the name of second member of aldehyde? CH3CO what? H. Okay, this is aldehyde. Aldehyde contains 2 carbon, therefore it is ethanol. Aldehyde. It is ethanol. And what is the common name of the compound? Contains 2 carbon and it is acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. When this aldehyde is subjected to reaction using simple or mild reducing agent, the mild reducing agent is, please list out the reducing agent first. Okay, and add hydrogen to this ethanol in the presence of platinum, palladium or nickel catalyst. What is the name of this process? With the help of catalyst, we are adding hydrogen. Therefore, it is catalytic hydration process. Simple. Catalytic hydration. Hydrogenation. Addition of hydrogen. Catalytic hydrogenation take place, or it is a simple reduction process. The hydrogen become activated, or it become active in presence of catalyst, and it attack on ethanol or the aldehyde, gives primary alcohol. It gives primary alcohol. On what basis you can say it is primary? OH group is attached to carbon. Carbon contains only one alkyl chain. R group, it is a primary alcohol. Okay. How? OH group is attached to carbon. Carbon contains 2 hydrogen and 1 R group. 1 R group is attached. So directly OH group is directly attached to on primary. So primary carbon, therefore it is primary alcohol. What is the name of the compound? If we consider ethanol as a reagent, a reactant, and when it is subjected to reduction, it gives ethanol. Okay, it gives ethanol. This is the basic thing of the reaction. But in your exam, there is a possibility of asking application type of question. How to prepare ethanol from ethanol? Or simple, convert ethanol into ethanol. There is a possibility of asking such type of question. Then we get confused because you are studying a lot of things under chemistry. You are studying about halogens, halogens and all that. Phenol, alcohols, phenols, ether. The next is aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, amines and amines. So you study a lot of compounds under organic chemistry, and during the examination time, suppose it may be asked convert ethanol into ethanol, you get completely confused. In which topic we are studying these things and all that. Please remember, okay, that was you should give the concentration. These type of things, simple things. Okay, convert ethanol into ethanol. What is ethanol? In your exam, just think like that. What is ethanol? Ethanol is aldehyde compound. What is ethanol? Ethanol is alcohol. When aldehyde gets converted into alcohol? During, in the case of reduction, the aldehydes or carbonyl compounds get converted into alcohol. You automatically it is comes in your mind and you are able to write the answer. It is possible. Okay, just use little bit concentration. It is possible. Okay. How to reduce using reducing agent? What are the reducing agent? First list of the reducing agent. Okay, I will give a small list of reducing agent. Sodium borohydride. Sorry, NaBH4. Sodium borohydride. So this is another example of reducing agent. These two are the mild reducing agent. Please remember, these two are the mild reducing agent. Mild reducing agents are enough to reduce aldehydes and ketones to alcohol. Then strong reducing. Suppose we are using a strong reducing agent. Yes, it is possible. Strong reducing agent also reduce the aldehyde into alcohol. Okay. So lithium, aluminium hydride. This is a strong reducing agent. This is a very familiar one. Okay, this is the strong reducing agent. These two are the mild reducing agent. You can use any reducing agent for the reduction of carbonyl compounds into alcohol. It is possible. Okay. Next, I consider another example. Ketone. Okay, the very familiar ketone. CH3COCH3. What is the name of the compound? According to IUPAC system, the name of the compound 1, 2, 3, therefore it is pro, cut, ketone present on second, therefore propane, single bond, propane, 2, why it is it is ketone, ketonic functional group, therefore we use suffix on and 2 because of the position. Propane 2-on or the very familiar name is, I am using common name, it's a familiar one, acetone. Okay, it's acetone. When acetone is made to or treated with sodium borohydride, this is a mild reducing agent, it gets converted into CH3 OH CH3. Clearly observe the reaction. Okay, CH3 C split up H and another H hydrogen. And CH3 remains as CH3. So this is the what type of product? Can anybody guess the name of the compound? During common name nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature, we discussed this thing. Yes, that is isopropyl. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is secondary alcohol. It is secondary alcohol. Okay, ethanol get converted into ethanol, and acetone get converted to isopropyl alcohol. What we observed in these two cases, in these two different examples, the conclusion part of this study is mainly these aldehydes gives primary alcohol and the ketonic groups gives secondary alcohol. Okay, our intention is to produce primary alcohol, then we should consider aldehydes as a reactant, and suppose our intention is to produce secondary alcohol, we need ketones. This is very important. In your exam, suppose asked how to prepare isopropyl alcohol using simple method. Prepare isopropyl alcohol. Okay, isopropyl alcohol is secondary. Then how to prepare secondary alcohol? There is one method. When the ketones are subjected to reduction, very important, it is subjected to reduction, then it gives secondary alcohol. Yes, then thing should be flashed in your mind. Then it becomes easy. Okay, so you should give the concentration for your PUC study, according to your syllabus and the theoretical part of your study. You should remember these two examples. This is enough. For your higher study and other competitive exam, you should consider different example. Okay, that is the part under this preparation of carbon alcohols from carbonyl compounds using aldehydes and ketones. Next is carboxylic acid. Okay, by considering carboxylic acid. What is the conclusion? Aldehydes and ketones gives primary and secondary alcohol respectively. Correct? Aldehyde gives primary, ketones gives secondary alcohol. This is the conclusion. Next, if we use carboxylic or esters, okay, carboxylic acid or ester, then what type of alcohols is produced? What type of reagent is required? Yes, again it is subjected to reduction using strong reducing agent. The need of strong reducing agent is because of carboxylic acid is very stable compared to aldehydes and ketones. I am using very. It is when compared with aldehydes and ketones. Okay, in the carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acid is strong or it's stable compared to this other. Therefore, it is strong and stable. Therefore, we need strong reducing agent. If we use a mild reducing agent, it is not able to convert carboxylic acid into alcohol. It may convert a few quantity. It is possible. Okay, few quantity of carboxylic acid can convert into alcohol. It is possible when you use mild reducing agent. But what is our intention? Our intention is to produce a large quantity. Otherwise, what is the need of making these reactions? Yes, all the reactions are carried out because of to produce large quantity of product. Therefore, we need a strong reducing agent. When carboxylic acid, I am considered acetic acid, CH3 COOH. Okay, you can write it in another manner, CH3 COOH. Okay, both is correct. In the PUC level, the few students may distinguish between these two also. There is a possibility. Therefore, I am writing two manner. Okay, both is same. Okay, just the way of representation is different. CH3COH, CH3COH. Okay, this is acetic acid. When this acetic acid is subjected to reduction using strong reducing agent, what is the name of the strong reducing agent? Lithium aluminum hydride. It gives CH3 CH2. Okay, oxygen eliminated and hydrogen is attacked. Therefore, we need strong removal of this oxygen is needed. Therefore, we using strong reducing agent. That one is lithium aluminum hydride. What type of product? What is the name of the product? It is ethanol. It is primary alcohol. It is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is produced. What is the name of the compound? It is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid gives ethanol, okay, or ethyl alcohol. Okay, very important. Conversion of ethanoic acid into ethanol using strong reducing agent. Please remember, we should use lithium aluminum hydride. Suppose we use hydrogen in presence of platinum, palladium, it does not take place. Reaction not take place. Take place, but small quantity of product is formed. Okay. Therefore, to produce excellent quantity of product, these things are required. Okay. So this is the one method. There is a possibility of asking the question on this reaction, that is such type of question may be asked. This is the question mark. Okay, please identify the reducing agent. Such type of question may be asked. But this process is costly. Yes, the lithium aluminum hydride is required, ethanoic acid is required. So this is the costliest product preparation method. Therefore, we are going to alternate way. The alternate way is by considering esters. Okay, by considering esters. The acetic acid is first converted into corresponding ester. Corresponding ester is CH3. C. What is the function group of ester? Okay, ether is ROs R dash. What is ester? RCOOR. RCOOR. CH3 COOR. By treating with alkyl groups or alcoholic group, again by treating with alcoholic group, the carboxylic acid is converted into ester, and or alkoxide group, it gives ester. When esters are made to react with hydrogen in presence of mild reducing agent is possible. Okay, in this case, and we produce primary again the same product without aluminum hydroxide, lithium aluminum hydride. We use hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum catalyst. This is an alternate way of preparation of alcohol from carboxylic acid. Please remember these things because in your exam there is a possibility of asking the another type of question. Prepare or convert carboxylic acid into alcohol without lithium aluminum hydride. There is a possibility of asking the question on this case. Okay. Next we move on to the preparation of alcohols using Grignard reagent. Okay, the last part of your preparation part, that is from or using Grignard reagent. Okay, using Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is RMgX. Yes, is RMgX. Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl group, magnesium and halostone. And give the one example of Grignard reagent, CH3MgI. What is the name of this compound? Methyl magnesium iodide. Okay, methyl magnesium iodide is an example of Grignard reagent. Any compound, it is present in the form of RMgX, then we call it as a Grignard reagent. There is a method of preparation. The Grignard reagent is prepared in haloalkane stopping. Please, you should know the preparation method. In the haloalkane stopping, the complete preparation part is studied. Next, how to prepare alcohol using Grignard reagent. Okay, this is the last part. And consider the Grignard reagent. Clearly observe this reaction. RMgX made to react with carbonyl compound. Again carbonyl compound. In this case, you can consider aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Except these carbonyl compound, you may take carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. There is the possibility. Okay, any carbonyl compound, it's very simple reaction. If we know the basics of organic chemistry, then all these reactions are very easy. There are four important reactions: addition, elimination, rearrangement. Correct? So substitution. This is the substitution type of reaction. First substitution and addition take place. Adduct product is produced. Addition reaction. Adduct is produced. Okay. When RMGX is made to react with carbonyl compounds in presence of organic solvents. Okay. In presence of organic solvents like acetone or ether, small quantity of acetone or ether, then the product is formed in such a way that clearly observe the basic things of the reaction. It is RMGX. Can anybody guess the oxidation state of halogen? Halogen are this negative -1, and magnesium +2, and because of that this part become partial positive charge. Why? Positive, 2 positive, 1 negative, therefore it is partial positive. Remember that, positive charge, partial positive, that means deficiency. Okay, when this becomes deficiency, our alkyl group, in this case alkyl group is partial negative. Okay, alkyl group is partial negative, and carbonyl compound oxygen is partial negative. Why? It is electronegative, and it is partial negative and become partial positive. Then reaction become easy, I think. Correct? Always negative part is attacked on positive. Correct? Yes. Same thing happens. This deficiency groups tries to take a negative or nucleophilic. What is the nucleophilic part? In the Grignard reagent, alkyl group is nucleophile. Nucleophilic part. Nucleophilic part is attacked on the carbon, electropositive, and what is the next product? Yes. When electron is attacked on this carbon, carbon become electron rich. Because of that, the pi bond loosely held pi electron moves towards more electronegative oxygen, pushes the pair of electron towards the oxygen. Correct. Okay. Then how to write the compound? Addition product. See, there are two groups. I don't know what are they. It may be aldehyde or it may be ketone or carboxylic acid, anything. Okay, and O become O minus, not partial, complete negative charge, because this pi bond, pi electron moves towards oxygen, therefore O negative. Carbon is bonded to the R group. R group is attached. Please observe the aroma. R group is attached to carbon and the pi bond is moves towards the oxygen. Hence, this is the addition product and not remains in this form. They are converted into this. So MgX partial positive get attached to this part O minus. What happens in this case? OMgX. This is the addition product. It is a adduct. Okay, Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent. This is carbonyl compounds. Any carbonyl compounds. These two are react gives adduct. And on hydrolysis, acid catalyzed hydrolysis may take place. Not hydration, it is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, what happens? Water is added. Okay, water surrounded and get converted. This adduct is unstable and gives a stable compound. This is the stable compound alcohol. Alcohol is produced. Alcohol is produced. Okay, so this is the reaction. Very easy. This is a general reaction of preparation of alcohol using Grignard reagent. Very important. Not only this part. or with this topic. This part is very important in the next topic also. Preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds, and in the next topic we in case of aldehydes and ketones topic, how to convert the properties under the properties of carbonyl compounds, how carbonyl compounds convert and how to convert carbonyl compounds into alcohol. In that cases also this part is again repeated. So therefore this part is very important for your exam point of view. And consider one example. If we know the general mechanism or general reaction, then the example, giving the examples become very easy. Please, you should give the concentration on this one. Okay, so very important. I am considering one example. This is methyl. This is methyl magnesium iodide. Yes, I am considering the same methyl magnesium iodide Grignard reagent plus carbonyl compounds. The carbonyl compounds contains hydrogen, then it becomes aldehyde. One contains, another contains R maybe CH3, C2H5, and any homologies of alkyl. CH3, CH3 become R and R become same. It may be different R and R dash. Okay, there is a possibility. What's the name of the compounds? Methyl. Very important. You should write the name of the compounds under the structure. Okay, methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. What's the name of the compound? 2 carbon ethanol. Ethanol. Okay, I am using solvents like ethers. Small quantity. This is known as necessity of mentioning also in this case only. Then it gives the added product. Can anybody guess that what is the added product formed in this reaction? Yes, CH3. Okay, first consider. We should consider this one. CH3, C, and another side hydrogen, and O become OMgI. OMgI, and the R group of Grignard reagent is attacked on this, and this is the added product. There is no necessity of giving the name. Next, followed by hydrolysis. H2O, H plus, followed by hydrolysis, it gives corresponding alcohol. CH3, 2 CH3, CH3, correct? CH3, C, another hydrogen H, and OMgI. MgI is replaced by OH groups. O hydrogen. Okay, OH. What is the name of the compound? CH3, OH. Isopropyl alcohol. What is the degree? OH as carbon contains 2, R group, therefore it is secondary alcohol. Correct? If we consider methanol, just you should try it. Okay. In case of methanol, only one carbon, it becomes hydrogen. The first member of it, HCHO. Okay, HCHO, methanol. Then H, CH3 remains as CH3 become H, it become H and H. Suppose we consider methanol as an example, then it gives primary alcohol. Then what is the conclusion? The first member of aldehyde gives primary alcohol and other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol. Then what happens if we consider ketone? Okay, just convert it into ketone groups. Okay, clearly observe, it becomes CH3. Okay, CH3. What's the name of the compound? Acetone. It is the first member of ketone. The ketone is subjected to nucleophilic addition using Grignard reagent. Then it use CH3. This is the added product, and it is not actually, it becomes CH3. What is the name of the compound? Yes, it is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. It is tertiary product is produced. Okay. COH, COH. All these are CH3s. CH3, CH3, CH3. This is the tertiary compound. Suppose we use ketone, then it gives tertiary alcohol. Okay. What is the conclusion? These are very important things. What is the conclusion of this reaction? The conclusion of this reaction, if we use, okay, Grignard reagent is a common, RMJX is a common reagent. The first member of aldehyde, that is methanol. If we use methanol with Grignard reagent, then it gives primary alcohol. It gives corresponding primary alcohol. If we use other aldehydes means except first member, except methanol, then it gives secondary alcohol. Alcohols, okay, it's only one possibility, methanol. Other aldehydes give secondary alcohols. Suppose we use ketones, then gives tertiary alcohol. Please practice on this part by considering different examples. This is the conclusion. When first member of aldehyde is subjected to Grignard reagent, followed by, this is the first method using Grignard reagent, and the second step, acid catalyzed hydrolysis. So followed by hydrolysis gives primary. Please remember, methanol gives primary alcohol, aldehyde, other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol, ketone gives tertiary. But what happens in this case? Reduction process, what happens? In the reduction process, aldehydes gives primary. Very important. Ketones gives secondary. All ketones, all aldehydes is primary, all ketones gives secondary. Okay, in this case, Grignard, if we use Grignard contains alkyl groups. Okay, then alkyl group is attached and again ketone, that would become tertiary, not secondary. Okay, in case of Grignard, we use tertiary. This is a very important things. Okay, so thank you.